Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn how to use the thin extrude, fillet, and hold. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. Here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create this arc here with 40 millimeters of radius. And the distance between these 2 points here is 5 millimeters. And then we'll create this 2 line here. And the distance between this point here and the midpoint is 85 millimeters. Then we'll use the thin extrude to make a body, okay? So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Go to create, select arc, center point arc, click at the midpoint. The radius here is 40 millimeters of radius. Make an arc here. Go to constraints and select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between these 2 points is 5 millimeters. Now select line, click at this point, make a line here. And click at this point, make a line here. Go to constraints and select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. Now go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and the midpoint here is 85 millimeters. Press OK. We made this. Now finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this 40 millimeters. And the thickness will be the difference of the radius. So it will be 10 millimeters, okay? So go to extrude and the type, select thin extrude. The profile, select this profile here. The direction, symmetric, measurement, whole length. And the distance here, 40 millimeters. And the wall thickness is 10 millimeters. And change the wall location to side 2. Okay. Operation new body, press OK. We made this. Okay. Now we will create this arc here, this fillet, and this hole here. This fillet has 20 millimeters of radius. And this circle here, this hole, has 20 millimeters of diameter, and it is concentric with this arc, okay? So to create this arc, we will use the full round fillet. So go to modify, select fillet, the type, select full round fillet, and select this face here, and add selection set, select this face here, and press OK. We made this, okay? Now select the hole and select this face. To add a reference, select this arc here. The extend, select all. And the diameter here is 20 millimeters of diameter. And press OK. We made this. Okay. Now we will select the front plane and make this sketch here. Okay. So let's create this. We have all the dimensions here. This line is tangent with this arc, and this point here is vertical with this one. And this line here is tangent with this arc, okay? We have all the dimensions here. So go to the Fusion, go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Go to create, select the project include, project, the selection filter, select the bodies, select this body here, press OK. I will hide this body a little bit, okay? Now select line, make a line from this point to here with 105 millimeters. And make a line here with 60 millimeters. And a line here with 20 millimeters. Okay, we made this. Now select line again, click at this point, make a line here from this point to this arc, and it must be tangent with this arc. Press OK. We have this profile. Finish the sketch. show the body one. Okay, we will extrude this part here. The thickness here is 12 millimeters, and we need to extrude this 90 millimeters. Okay, so go to extrude and the type, select thin extrude, remove the chaining here and select this line and this line here. The extended type, select the distance, the direction, symmetric, measurement, whole length, the distance here 90 millimeters, and the wall thickness is 12 millimeters. Make sure that it is to this side here, to the outside. Okay, the side one. Operation new body, press OK. We made this. Now we will extrude this area here. The extrusion must be 14 millimeters. No, sorry, 18 millimeters. So let's extrude this. Show the sketch tool. Go to extrude, select this profile. And the direction, symmetric, measurement, whole length, and the distance here, 18 millimeters. Operation join and press OK. Hide the sketch tool. We made this. Okay. Now we will add a fillet in this body. All this black area here, this fillet is 4 millimeters of radius. Okay. And at this edge here and this edge here, the fillet is 10 millimeters. So go to fillet. The type here, select fillet, select this edge here, this edge here, this one, and this side here. The fillet here is 4 millimeters of radius. And now add selection set and select this edge here and this edge here. The fillet here is 10 millimeters and press OK. We made this. Okay. Now we will make this hole here. This hole has 13 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the circle and this edge, 15 millimeters here, 15 millimeters here. Okay, the same for the other hole here. So let's create this. Select the hole, select this face, and add the reference. Select this edge, the distance here 15 millimeters, the distance here 15 millimeters, and the extent, select the all, and the diameter here is 13 millimeters. Press OK. We made this. Now make the same to the other side. The distance here 15, the distance here 15. And press OK. We made this. So now I will add some color here. Press letter A in the keyboard. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.